Hey guys, and welcome back to the makeup mess. I think today I might be making a mess because I'm going to be doing in this video today, I'm going to be doing your do-it-yourself brow tint. This one is of course by Eylure, which is a very good brand. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly try this, guys. Stick around, let's see what it looks like in the end. I'm a bit nervous because what if I look crazy in the end and I have to go to work tomorrow, so I don't want to look like a crazy chick. In any case, so it comes like in this little package like this. I've had this for a while. It's like stored up in my little storage stuff, so I haven't used this in like a really long time, so I'm gonna give it a try. I obviously bought one in black. It does come, I think, in brown and other colors. It says here up to 12 applications, so I mean, I don't even remember when I used this, but anyways, yeah, so stick around, let's see what it looks like and wish me luck. Okay, great stuff. So I'm gonna actually get started now. There's the kit ready to go. It's in black because my hair is black, so I'm gonna use black. It's really cool because it comes with this little kit that you can see there. Whoopsie daisy. I'm gonna put my ring on because I just feel like being fabulous. And then yeah, let's just have a look what the instructions say. Okay. Right, so first, alrighty, cool. So I'm going to start off now with the actual product, the dye, which comes like in a little tube, and then there's like a little cute little bowl dish in there. You need about a pea size. You don't need that much, honestly you don't, just about that much. Even that is too much, and then it comes obviously with the applicator. You need about, I'd say, 6 drops of the applicator, of the activator, and you're just going to mix it. It comes with a little cute brush as well. If you have an angle brush, you can use that as well if you want. So I'm going to mix it into like a really nice moussey texture, as you can see, like that. You don't want it too wet, just like a nice like moussey texture. And yeah, here we go. So I'm going to start off in the middle. Whoopsie, hold on, wait a second. Yes, before I forget, guys, it's so important to make sure that you wipe off any excess makeup on your brows or any excess oils that you may have. And then I'm going to get started. So I'm going to start from the middle. Don't be afraid to go dark in the middle. Yeah, and then you're going to work your way towards the outside, and you're really doing like light feather movements, right? And then on the inner corners you want to just sort of do like feather movements as well, moving upwards. You don't want it to be too boxy, so just like light strokes on the inside, and then I'm going to work my way on the outer side of my brow as well. Just clean that up a little. Okay, so it's really simple. It's really nothing hectic. So yeah, so again, work from the middle of your brow, and then whatever that's left over on the brush, you can just do light strokes for the inside of your brow. You can clean that up. If you're nervous about dyeing your skin, you can put Vaseline on areas that you don't want to dye, in case you are like a beginner and you're afraid of like messing up. And then I'm gonna work on the outer part of my brow. It looks a bit messy, but we're gonna clean that up. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna go in with a wipe and just like clean up any unnecessary spots that I've covered. It's looking okay. It's looking quite dark. So we're gonna wait for a couple of minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes. And in the meantime, you can sort of clean it up as well to just really get that shape almost perfect. Your brows don't have to be perfect, girls, just well groomed. So I'm gonna just clean that up and let's see what happens. And then while you wait for that to do its thing for like 20 minutes, you can literally wipe it off. And then yeah, so now I'm gonna remove it. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. Alright. Not too bad. Let's check the other brow. Okay, cool. So it's not too bad. I mean, for like, I think I should have left it on for like a little bit longer, like maybe 45 minutes. It has a bit of a red undertone to it, maybe because I didn't leave it long enough. I'm not sure, but really, I'm not too. Not too bad. Not too bad. I just don't like the red undertone. But anyways, guys, that's what we have. Easy do-it-yourself brow tint with Eylure. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.